Guys, today we are going to see the lead code question power of 2. Given an integer n, we have to return true if the element is a power of 2, otherwise we have to return false. An integer n is a power of 2 if there exists an integer x such that n is equal to 2 to the power x. And in this we would be using the recursion to solve this problem, and we have to check if it is any of the element is power of other element, then we have to check if we get go on dividing that element by the suppose 2 or 3. If it is given up to check for the power of 3, then we would be dividing by 3, and if we get 1, then we have to return true, and if it becomes less than 0 or any of the other element that is not divided by 2 or not divisible by 2, then we have to return false as the answer. So here we would for if we take 16 as the example and we keep on dividing 16 with 2, so here 8 divided by 2, then comes 4 divided by 2, then comes 2, and finally 2 by 2 equal to 1, and if we get 1 as the answer, then we would be returning true, and otherwise we would be returning false. If for example we take 1 divided by 2 becomes 0, so there would be another condition. If it is less than equal to 0, we have to return false. And let us see the code of the question. Here is the code of the question. It is a boolean type, and if n is less than equal to 0, we have to simply return false, and if n is equal to 1, we would be returning true. And if n modulo 2, if any of the while dividing, if any of the element is encountered which is not divided it cannot be divided by 2, then we have to return false, and we would be using the recursion, and each time we would be passing n by 2 as the parameter, and if it is found any of the condition would be satisfied, then it would be returned. Thank you.